Hello, Bacho. In this session, we will discuss mensuration. So, we will do some questions from mensuration, which are very important and most repeated questions. To practice well these questions to get maximum marks. These are essay type questions. In case if you are getting doubts while doing the sums, just raise your doubt in the comment section. I'll help you to solve those sums. Bacho, make a note of this. When a solid is melted and made into another solid, then we can say then volume of first solid is always equal to volume of second solid. Okay, whenever if a solid, let me take the first solid. Whenever a solid is melted and made or recast. Okay, whenever it is melted and made into another solid, then so you can say that volume of first solid is always equal to the volume of second solid. So let us go for a simple example. Look at this. Suppose let me take a cylinder. Let me take a cylinder. Now this cylinder is melted and made into a cone. Assume that we have a cylinder and this is melted and made into a cone. Then this is a cone. Then I can say volume of cylinder equal to volume of this cylinder equal to the volume of cone. But so I'll be using this concept to solve the next questions. Okay, make a note of this. But so in this given that the three spheres, the radius of first sphere equal to 6 centimeter. This one, and the radius of second sphere is 8 centimeter, and the radius of third sphere is 10 centimeter. Now these three spheres they are melted and made into a single sphere. Given that these three spheres melted and made into a new sphere, I need the radius of this sphere. Here we need to find radius of the resulting sphere, that is new sphere. Okay now? Now, so first let us find three volumes separately. Here let us take volume sphere 1. So let me take volume of sphere 1 equal to, the formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So radius is given, the radius is given 6 centimeters. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into, in the place of r, we'll take 6. The 6 cube in 6 into 6 into 6. So let me take this as centimeter cube. But so, here no need of simplification, keep this as it is. Now you go for volume of second sphere. Volume of sphere 2. So given that the radius of second sphere is 8 centimeters. So let me take a formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. In the place of r, we'll take 8. So 4 by 3 into 20 by 7 into 8 into 8 into 8. As this is a volume, we'll take centimeter cube. Okay. Now let's go for third sphere. So volume of sphere 3 equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into 20 by 7 into, here the radius of this the third sphere is 10. So let me take 10 into 10 into 10 centimeter cube. Now these three melted and made into a new sphere. So let me take volume of resulting sphere equal to, the formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is 4 by 3 into 20 by 7 into. But so, as we don't know the value of r, let me keep r as it is. So r cube centimeter. Okay, now given that in the question is given that 3 spheres melted and made into a single sphere. Okay, 3 spheres, these 3 spheres melted and made into a single sphere. In a sense, the volume of these 3 spheres, the sum of volume of these 3 spheres equal to volume of this. The sum of these 3 volumes will give you the volume of new sphere. So we can write here as therefore we can say volume of resulting sphere is same as volume of sphere 1 plus volume of sphere 2 plus volume of sphere 3. If I add these 3 volumes, I will be getting the volume of resulting sphere. So let me take the values. Here volume of resulting sphere is nothing but this one. So let me take 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube equal to there the volume of sphere 1. Where is volume of sphere 1? This one. So let me take 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 6. Let me take this as 6 cube plus. Now here volume of second sphere equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into, here I can take 8 cube plus 4 by 3 into 20 by 7 into, I can take 10 cube. So this is volume of sphere 1, this is volume of sphere 2 and this is volume of sphere 3. Now, so let me simplify. 4 by 3 into 20 by 7 into r cube equal to, but so just observe this, in these 3 terms 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 is common. So in the first term we have 4 by 3 into 22 by 7. Here also we have 4 by 3 into 22 by 7. In the third term also we have 4 by 3 22 by 7. So that means you can take 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 common. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 is available in 3 terms. So let me take 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 common. If I take 4 by 3 22 by 7 common, you are left with 6 cube. Here 8 cube. Here 10 cube. Okay, now look at this. Now in the LHS and RHS, this is common. So that means you can cancel. So here we have here r cube equal to 6 cube. 6 cube is 6 into 6 into 6. 6 into 6, 36 into 6, 216. So you will get here 216. Now next 8 into 8 into 8. So 8 cube nothing but 8 into 8 into 8. 8 is a 64. 64 into 8. 2, 3, 48, 512. 512 will get. Then next there will get 10 cube in the sense 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. 1000, get 1000 then. Okay, bacho, let me simplify. R cube equal to 216, 512, 1000 gives you 1728. So let me take 1728. Now, bacho, just observe that in the LHS we have the power 3. So let me express this RHS as power 3. So I can write r cube equal to this, I can take it as 12 cube. 12 cube nothing but 12 into 12 into 12 is 1728. Okay, now observe LHS and RHS. In LHS and RHS the powers are same. Here the power is 3. Here also power is 3. Then I can say here the base is r. So I can say the base equal to here, the base equal to this base equal to that base. So we can say r equal to 12. The r is nothing but radius of the resulting sphere. So therefore radius of resulting sphere equal to 12 centimeter. Bacho, in this question it is given that the cone is converted into sphere and we need to find the radius of the sphere. So let us go for cone first. As per the question, the height of the cone equal to 24 centimeter and the radius of the cone equal to is given 6 centimeters. Now let us find volume of cone first. Volume of cone equal to, the formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now let us put the values. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into the radius is 6. 6 into height is 24. Okay. Now, bacho, no need of the simplification. Keep this as it is. Though this will be centimeter cube. The volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Let me put the values, and I got 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 24. So no need of cancellation, no need of calculation. Keep this as it is. So that will be in centimeter cube. Now he said that the cone is converted into sphere. So let us go for sphere. Sphere. So we know that the volume of sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So let me put the values. 4 by 3 into 20 by 7 into, since I don't know the value of r, keep as it is r. So this will be in centimeter cube. The volume of sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So by substituting values, I'll get 4 by 3 into 20 by 7 into, since I don't know the value of r, keep r as it is, r cube, that will be in centimeter. Now given below, listen. So given cone is made into a sphere. Whenever one solid convert into other solid, already we discussed that. So volume of I can say sphere. Volume of sphere is always equal to volume of cone. Whenever one solid is melted and made into another solid, then the volume of two solids will be equal. Okay. Now we know the volume of sphere. So let me put that value here. The 4 by 3 into 20 by 7 into r cube equal to the volume of cone. The volume of cone is this. So I'll take 1 by 3 into 20 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 24. Okay now. Now I need a value of r. So keep r as it is here. R cube as it is. Now first you take all these values here. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 24. Now listen carefully. Now 4 by 3 is shifted from LHS to RHS. Whenever a fraction is shifted from LHS to RHS, you have to take the reciprocal of the fraction. Here 4 by 3 becomes 3 by 4. You have to write reciprocal. In the same way, 22 by 7 is shifted to RHS. So you will take 7 by 22. Again I repeat, these two fractions are shifted from LHS to RHS. So you have to take reciprocal of those fractions. Let me simplify. 7 1 the 7 1 the 22 1 the 22 1 the. The next 3 1 the 3 2 the. Next 2 1 the 2 2 the. Next 2 1 the 2 12 the. So we have here r cube equal to 6 12 3. So we have 6 into 12 into 3. But so listen carefully how to simplify this. So r cube as it is, I'll take now this as 6 as it is. Now 12 I'll take it as 6 into 2. 12 we can write it as 6 into 2 into this 3 as it is, the 6 as it is. In the place of 12 I'll take 6 into 2 and this 3 as it is. So let me simplify further. R equal to this 6 as it is into 6 into 2 into 3 6. Okay now. So r cube equal to, we can write 6 into 6 into 6 as 6 cube. Now Balcho, just look at this RHS and LHS. In the RHS the power is 3. In the LHS also 3. In the LHS and RHS the powers are same. Then immediately I can say the value of base equal to here 6. The value of base is that side is r. So r equal to, we can say r equal to 6. So radius of sphere equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, bacho, just again I repeat here, r cube equal to 6 into 6 into 6. So r cube equal to 6 into 6 into 6, we can write it as 6 cube. Now look at this, here the power is 3, here the power is 3. So immediately I can say the base of LHS equal to base of RHS. That means r equal to 6. So what is r here? Radius of r is nothing but radius of sphere. So I can say radius of sphere equal to 6 centimeter. But sure, in this question is given that a well is dug, and by digging the well, we'll get some earth. So that earth is made into a platform. The platform will be cuboid shape. So I want the height of this platform. Now look at this, the well, which is in the form of cylinder. So remember always, the well will be in the form of cylinder. So the deep in the sense height of the height of the cylinder is given here, and the diameter of the cylinder is given here. Diameter equal to cylinder is given. Given that by digging this well, we get some earth. The earth is made in the form of a platform. The platform will be in the shape of cuboid. The platform itself, it will be in the form of cuboid. Given that the length of this cuboid is 22 meters, and the breadth is given 14 meters. We need to find the height of the platform. So we need to find the height of the platform. In a sense, we need to find the height of the cuboid. Again, I repeat, the earth we got from this cuboid, the cylinder is made into a cuboid. And here, for this platform is given, length is given and breadth is given. We need to find height of the cuboid. So let us first start with cylinder. Okay, now here, let me take cylinder first. Cylinder nothing but the well. Now for this cylinder is given height equal to 20 meters and given diameter equal to 7 meters. Now when diameter is given, how to find radius? Radius equal to diameter by 2. So that is nothing but 7 by 2 meters. So bacho, no need of converting into decimals, keep this as it is. Now, so let us go for volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder equal to the formula of H, pi r square h, that is nothing but 22 by 7 into, the radius is here 7 by 2, since we have square here, let me take 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, into the height is 20, as this is a volume, let me take meter cube. Now, next I will go for platform, in a sense cuboid. Cuboid. For cuboid, length is given, here length equal to 22 meters and breadth is given 14 meters. Okay, so then go for volume of cylinder, volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid equal to the formula is L into B into H. The volume of cuboid is 22 into breadth is 14. Since I don't know the value of H, let me keep H as it is. This will be in meter cube. Now it's given, but so is given the earth got from cylinder, that is well, okay, is made into a platform which is nothing but a cuboid. So cylinder is made into a cuboid. Okay, that means we can say volume of cuboid equal to volume of cylinder. Okay, when one shape is made into another shape, we know that volume of those shapes will be equal. So here I can say the volume of cuboid equal to volume of cylinder. Here we know the volume of cuboid. So volume of cuboid is nothing but 20 by 7 into 14 into H equal to the volume of cylinder is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 20. But so be careful here. So we need H value. Let me keep H as it is. First let me take all these values here. 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 20. But so let me take a 1 and 1 here. So 22 by 1 is shifted to that side. So nothing means you can take 1 here. That means 22 by 1 I'm shifting from LHS to RHS. Whenever the fraction is shifted from LHS to RHS, so we have to write the reciprocal of that fraction. So let me take 1 by 22. Okay, but so hope you understood everyone, right? Now, next 14 by 1. 14 by 1 is shifted from LHS to RHS. Again, let me take reciprocal. I'll take 1 by 14. Okay, now let me simplify. H equal to, now बच्चों यहाँ पे you can cancel these two. Again, you can cancel these two. Now 7 ones are 7 twos are. Okay, now next 2 ones are 2 tens are. Okay, now so we have here 10 by 2 into 4. Okay, 2 twos are 2 5s are. H equal to 5 by 2. So 5 divided by 2, 2 twos are 4.0025 the 10. So it equal to 2.5. 2.5. What is H here? H is nothing but volume of the cuboid. So therefore, we can say height of the platform equal to 2.5 meters. Bachcho, in this question is given that a cuboid of length 66 centimeters and breadth 42 centimeters and height 21 centimeters made into a cylindrical candles. Okay, so we don't know how many candles can be made, so we need to find how many such candles can be made from this cuboid. Okay, now so first let us proceed with cuboid. So let us go for cuboid. So for cuboid, this is length, this is breadth, this is height. So length equal to, let me take 66 centimeters, breadth equal to 42 centimeters, height equal to 21 centimeters. So let us find first volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid equal to, the formula is L into B into H. So 66 into 42 into 21. As this is volume, let me take it as centimeter cube. Okay, now the cuboid is made into a cylinder. So let us go for cylinder next. Cylinder. For cylinder, given diameter equal to 4.2 centimeters, given diameter equal to 4.2 centimeters. So if diameter is given, how to find radius? R equal to D by 2. So 4.2 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 0.1. So that is nothing but 2.1 centimeter. Diameter is 4.2 centimeter. My radius will be 2.1 centimeter. And the height is given. Height is nothing but here. Height equal to 2.8 centimeters. Okay, now let us go. Let us find volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. So let us put the values. That equal to pi. What is pi r? 20 by 7. What is r? R is 2.1. So since we have squared there, let me take 2.1 into the value of h is 2.8. 2.8 centimeter cube. Okay, now right. So here he said that see cuboid made into cylinders more than one. So therefore the formula says number of candles can be made equal to sigma. So we use this one. We are using cuboid and we are converting cuboid into cylinders. So how many cylinders will get here? So first in the numerator I'll take volume of cuboid. Let me take volume of cuboid. So volume of cuboid divided by volume of one cylinder. Since we are converting into cylinders, so in the denominator I'll take volume of one cylinder. So when I divide volume of cuboid by volume of one cylinder, I'll be getting number of candles we can make. Okay, now so volume of cuboid is here 66 into 42 into 21 divided by the volume of cylinder is 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 2.8. Okay, now observe the calculation carefully, bacho. 66 into 42 into 21 divided by 22 by 7 into, bacho, let me take out the decimal. So here we have 2.1. By eliminating decimal, we can take 21 by 10. So here also 2.8. So 2.8. Let me take out the decimal. So we'll get 28 by 10. Okay, now so we'll get 21 by 10 into 21 by 10 into 28 by 10. Okay, now right. Now that equal to, now numerator as it is 66 into 42 into 21 into, now all these fractions are shifted from denominator to numerator. Whenever a fraction is shifted from denominator to numerator, you have to take reciprocals. In a sense, I'll take 20 by 7 becomes 7 by 22 into, let me take 10 by 21 into 10 by 21 into 10 by 28. Bachcho, here what I'm doing, I'm shifting all these fractions to numerator. So when I take the numerator fractions to numerator, from denominator to numerator, you have to write the reciprocals. Let me simplify. Now, bachcho, see, 21 ones are 21 twos are. 21 into 2 is 42. So I'll take 21 ones are and this twos are. Next, here 2 ones are 2 11s are. Okay now. So 11 ones are 11 6s are. Okay. Next, here 7 ones are 7. Okay. Let me keep this as it is. 7 ones are 7 4s are. And we can cancel 21 21. Next, 2 twos are 2 3s are. Next, that's it. Next, 2 ones are 2 5s are. Okay. Now we have here 3 into this 10 into this 10 into this 5. Okay now. Now 10 into 10 is 100 into 3 into 5 is 15. So 10 into 50, 100 into 15 is 1500. So the 1500 thing, but here number of candles can be made equal to 1500. Therefore, we can make 15 candles.